2016 EICMA Honda Metropolitan. In addition to the new CB500F, Honda also unveiled at EICMA today the updated Metropolitan scooter. For 2016, the Metropolitan receives all new rounded bodywork and a new Metropolitan emblem. The Honda Metropolitan features a V-matic automatic transmission and a fuel-efficient liquid-cooled 49 cubic centimeters 4-stroke engine. Practical details include a convenient hook for holding shopping bags, and lockable underseat storage that's large enough to hold a helmet. The Metropolitan scooter has been refreshed, and the announcement also includes several exciting returning models. We look forward to sharing them with our customers during the IMS show tour, says Honda's Lee Edmonds. Available in February, the Honda Metropolitan comes in 3 colors, pearl white, pearl blue, red, at a yet undetermined price. Follow the rest of our 2015 EICMA show coverage for more information on new 2016 motorcycle announcements.